Hello guys, so today I'm going to tell you how you can fix dev error 5820 in MW3. So first of all, what you can do is you can simply restart MW3. So sometimes restarting your game fixes the issue. So after that, what you can do is you can change the host of the private match. So if you're playing with someone, try switching hosts, like give them the host option and try to play the match, and he starts after working trying a bunch of times. So also you can also check for game updates if they have any. So see if the game has any updates. If they have any pending updates, simply update your game and it may solve the issue as well. Also you can verify your game files. So if you're using Steam, you can go to Steam and then go to the properties of MW3 and simply go to install files, and there you'll see verify your game files option. You can press on that to verify your game files. Also you can tweak private match settings, so you can simply try different settings like reducing bot count, changing match timer, altering map and game mode, so to see if it works or not. Also you can disable on-time text streaming and change calling cards and ML as well. So try all these methods and hopefully you will be able to fix this dev error. So that is all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.